Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Little Creek, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Coastal waters from Cape Charles Light to Virginia, North Carolina border out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Palmer Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia out 20 nautical miles until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:48 p.m. Strong thunderstorm was located over Cape Henry Wreck, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near 4th Island Bay Bridge around 8 p.m. Anglo-African Wreck, Fisherman's Island and Latimer Shoal around 8:15 p.m. Chesapeake concrete ships around 8:20 p.m. Cape Charles Light around 8:25 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Heat index value.